Hello everyone, welcome to hrpreparation.com, India's first online institute for all kind of HR exams. Now we are going to discuss about NFL HRMT syllabus. The combination of exam is with paper 1 and paper 2 or part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is like professional knowledge and part 2 is the general aptitude. So the professional knowledge is like the combination of the management, human resource management, human resource development, HRD, organizational behavior, industrial relations, labor legislation, labor welfare and market, labor laws. So this is the professional knowledge part, and coming to the general aptitude. The general aptitude is a combination of quantitative aptitude, reasoning, general English, GK and current affairs. So this is the paper 2. Now we are going to discuss in detail. So what are the subtopics can be asked from the each topic. Under management, the questions are from principles and the theories of management, functions of management, organization structure, strategic management. These are the common subtopics under management. So why we have limited with these topics? So most of the PSUs are asking from these topics. Sometimes we can add finance and cost, finance and accounting, and marketing, so some kind of operations management and all. However, we added few questions from those topics also. But if any PSU is declared their syllabus, then only we can understand those can be part of the syllabus. But for NFL, IRL or Question Shipyard Limited, so they have not defined their syllabus. So that is the reason this is a common syllabus, as we can trust the common syllabus for all PSUs. Under human resource management, foundations of the HRM, HRM models, human resource planning, job analysis, recruitment and selection, placement and induction, compensation management and other benefits. So other benefits we can consider R&R, HR audit and accounting, human resource information system, HRIS, international human resource management, IHRM, recent trends in HRM, strategic HRM and EHRM. So under EHRM, so we can consider EHRM as well as green HR. So these are the topics we can understand from the human resource management under HRM. And HRD. Under HRD, we can understand foundations of or fundamentals of the HRD, performance appraisal, training and development, career management, organizational development and managing change. So these are the subtopics under HRD. Organizational behavior. Under OB, fundamentals of OB, individual behavior, that is perception, attitude, learning theories. These are under individual behavior. Group behavior, team building, motivational theories, leadership theories, communication, organizational culture and climate, conflict management, industrial relations. So now we are going to discuss about industrial relations. Under IR, so there are subtopics like foundations of or fundamentals of IR, grievance and discipline, collective bargaining, settlement dispute, workers' participation in management, trade unionism. So these are the common topics. These are the subtopics under industrial relations. Labor legislation. Under labor legislation, you can understand this is not a labor laws part. This is a legislation framework actually. So like principle of labor legislation, constitutional provisions, International Labour Organization, that is ILO. Labor welfare and market. foundations of labor welfare and markets. Under this we can understand theories and principles of labor welfare and all, wage theories and labor administration and economics. Coming to the last part of the professional knowledge, that is called labor laws. So there are 15 labor laws. All 15 labor laws are here, so you can check it out. So these are the labor laws in study material as well as the Act test series. We covered all sections, chapters and schedules, all amendments also. So you can check it out, even free content even on our website. Coming to the part 2 or paper 2, this is called general aptitude. Under general aptitude, we have like quantitative aptitude. The first one is the quantitative aptitude. Under quantitative aptitude, so these are the all common topics from the quantitative aptitude, like number series, number system, simplification, averages, ratio and proportion, work and time, speed, time and distance, percentages, profit and loss, partnership, ages, simple interest, compound interest. So these are the topics. And under reasoning, series completion, analogy, coding and decoding, classifications, blood relations, directions, ranking and sequence. So these are the subtopics under reasoning. Reading comprehension. So under general English part, so we can understand the 5 questions from the reasoning comprehension. So there is a study material like how to understand the complete paragraph or complete passage. So and there are some techniques, and as well as in the test series, this is topic wise test series, you can find a few questions from the reading comprehension. As per the exam pattern, we provided reading comprehension part, common errors, jumbled sentences, close test, phrase replacement, synonymous and antonymous, one word substitutions. So these are the common topics from English. So this is the last part, like GK and current affairs. This is the actually combination in the exam. So 2 questions from the GK and 3 questions from the current affairs. Otherwise 3 from the GK, 2 from the current affairs. So it's maybe 5 questions, 6 questions, 7 questions. So this is the combination of both GK and current awareness. So it's like we need to cover geographical, historical, general science, national, international, sports, events, conferences and meets, social and political events. So these are the subtopics we need to cover. So we always recommend, so don't spend much time on GK or current affairs. So because it's ocean, it takes more time. Instead of spending much time on this, just spend your time on the paper 1 or the professional knowledge part, because this will helpful for your interview preparation as well. So that is the reason we recommend you spend more time on your professional knowledge instead of general aptitude or somewhere. So this is all about syllabus, and we covered all the topics from all the major subtopics from the major topics. So you can the same syllabus, same content is available in form of study material or in form of mock test series. So you can visit our website www.hrpreparation.com, and so if you want to prepare, if you are preparing for any PSU exams, just click on the PSU exam. You can find the PSU list of the PSUs which we are providing the online crash course. If you are preparing for bank exams, just you can click on that. So if you are preparing for UGC NET, so just check it out here. And if you are appearing for any interview, so there are interview tips also available here. You can check it out. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, and you can share with your friends and in your WhatsApp group or Facebook groups. So in social media, please share this video and others also will get benefited. Thank you very much.